In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to add tasks to a project, organize them properly, and assign responsibilities so your team can stay aligned and productive throughout the workflow. To begin, open the Asana project where you want to create a new task. Asana organizes work into projects and sections, making it easier to manage responsibilities, track progress, and keep related tasks grouped together in one organized workspace. Before creating a task, make sure you are inside the correct project so the work appears in the right location for your team. Once you're inside the project, look toward the upper left area of the task table and click the Add Task button. This is the starting point for creating new work items within your project. As soon as you click the button, a new task field will appear, allowing you to enter the task information. The first thing you should do is create a clear and descriptive task title. A strong task name helps teammates immediately understand the purpose of the assignment without needing additional explanation. Try to keep the wording concise but specific enough to communicate the intended action or deliverable clearly. After entering the task name, click on the task itself to open the Details panel on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel contains important settings and information that help you manage the task more effectively. Here, you can review and update details connected to the assignment while keeping everything centralized in one place. Next, focus on assigning the task to the correct team member. In the Task Details panel, locate the Assignee section, usually represented by a person icon. Click on it to begin selecting the person responsible for completing the task. You can either type the name of a teammate or search using their email address. As you type, Asana will automatically display matching suggestions from your workspace directory, helping you quickly find the right person. Once you select the appropriate team member, the task becomes officially assigned. This step is important because it creates clear ownership and ensures the responsible person receives notifications about the task. Assigning tasks properly also improves accountability and helps prevent confusion about who is handling specific work items. With the task now created and assigned, your project becomes easier to manage and track. Team members can collaborate more efficiently, stay informed about responsibilities, and maintain better communication throughout the project lifecycle. Even though the process is simple, it plays a major role in keeping projects organized and workflows running smoothly inside Asana. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.